Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I'll show you how to use Google Play Store on your Huawei P50 Pro. First, you have to be connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data. Next, open Pedal Search on your Huawei device, tap the search bar, and type G-Space. It will take about 2 minutes and we'll be able to use our favorite Google apps. Get this app from the app gallery G-Space, so click Install. Open it, click Start, and accept both permissions. Click Continue, enable it, tap the switcher, go back, and here we are. For example, we can get YouTube, so tap on it. Now we have to sign in with our Google account. As you can see, sometimes this app crashes, so we have to keep trying and just log in. Finally, I'll enter my account, click Next, and enter my password. Once done, click Next, Agree, and here we are. We can install YouTube. Let's try to open it one more time because it kept crashing, but I think we finally got it. After a few seconds, we'll be able to open the app on our Huawei P50 Pro. As you can see, it's working. It's also our YouTube channel. We can open, for example, this video. Everything is fine and the app is working. You'll find G-Space right here. If you open YouTube, just click here and it will open. You'll find a few ads, but everything is fine. You can also search for any other app in the Play Store, like PUBG, and click Install. It's very simple. That's how we can download Google apps from the Play Store to your Huawei P50 Pro. If you found this video